them here. Look how long I ask you.
Oh, I know what happened.
What happened?
My phone, I heard a notification and I bet you I left it there and forgot to come get
Man,
it.
you know what I'm going to do going forward?
What?
It's like you don't want to press these to me. And me have to do it myself. I am made for press them.
Okay.
I have somebody to come in and press them.
Why can't, what?
I'm say alright with it.
Why can't you do it?
Why can't me do it?
Yeah.
If me tired and coming every day, me come in and work and I am
Babe, I'll
tired
do it. I just won't leave it like right long like
you
that.
see, I still do it again. You still do it again.
I was trying to show you what I did.
No, you're good, man. You're good, man.
Babe, I won't do it no more.
Hey, you want to mash up my clothes, then? You want to get rid of my clothes, then? You're alright, man. You're good, man. You're alright.
I think I might wear it.
Nah, look fine, you know. You're alright, man. You're good. You're alright.
I'll wear it.
Where you go wear that go? Where B? Where you go wear that go? It can't wear go no come in and
I
walk
think
with the
it'll
stuff.
set a statement.
Huh?
It'll set a statement.
There's a couple of like something wrong with you. Something wrong with you. Something really wrong with you.
I mean, yeah, so.
I am pram. When you go wear now? When you go wear? What is it I am going to wear? Cause everything is just a joke to you, and it's just a game. You just a laugh of your 32 teeth. And you like you take me for joke.